going to discuss about tables. We are going to add some data like this. We are going to create a vaccination table for different continents and different countries like this. Let's learn this. It's very interesting because we can store large number of data in table and it would come handy with any data. So it's good to learn tables. So let's begin with the coding part. Okay, first thing I have added, I already created this table for you guys. I'm going to remove this table and start all over again. Let us remove this table. Okay, I have removed this table. I have given a yes3 tag, yes3 tag with the ID vaccination, and given a menu of vaccination with hash vaccination. Let's begin with a table. First we will create a simple table. This table tags helps us to create a table. Now let's give uh, table row. TR is used to denote table row. A table row consists of many data that can be table heading. Let's give table heading. Table heading, let's give something like countries, first dose and second dose. Countries, first dose and second dose, right? First dose and second dose. Now let's add some, again a new row. These are table headings. Now we are going to add some data. TD. TD is used for table data. Each row has, it's like its row and its column, number of columns. Let's divide 3 TD. Country, let's give a country name USA, right? First dose, let's give a number of 15,000, and second dose this. Okay, similarly we'll define some more countries. USA, let's define a Canada here, Canada, and UK, Germany, let's add Germany, Germany, Germany. Okay, we have added UK, Germany. Let's add some Asian countries, India and China. India and China. Save it and let's reload it. As you can see, this is a table. It does not have any border because we haven't given it yet. These are, as you can see, this is a table heading, first dose, second dose, and these are different countries: USA, Canada, UK, Germany, India, China. Let's add some African countries too. I will copy this two row and add it below. Let's add Egypt, okay, and South Africa. Save it. Let's reload it. Okay, we have added some more data. Now let's see how can we add styling part. Let's give a style. Style attribute is used to give a style. It could be used with anything like any tag. I'm giving its border 1 pixel solid black. You generally learn this in CSS part, this is styling part, but since we need this, we are going to use this. Save it. As you can see, we have a border in. Okay, we will add this in table heading also. And okay, let's add on some table data. Command D. Oh, sorry. Save it. Now save it and reload it. Yes guys, it's taking shape. Our table is already taking shape, right? Now let's add something more. We are going to add continents here. First, let me tell you something interesting about Colspan and Rowspan. What we really use Colspan and Rowspan for. I will add here new row, table row. Okay, table heading. Let's add two headings here. I don't need countries here since we are all are adding vaccine and countries. I am giving it a call span of 2. That means you will take 2 rows. I mean 2 columns, and I'm going to give this row span of 2. It's going to take 2 rows and it's going to take 2 columns. Save it and reload it. As you can see it guys. This is taking 2 rows and this is taking 2. I mean this is taking 2 columns and this is taking 2 rows. What Colspan does? Colspan gives 2 columns, and what Rowspan does? It gives 2 rows. Let's give it a styling too. I forgot this part. Save it and reload it. Look guys, this looks interesting, right? This is how you could use Colspan, Rowspan, table heading, table data to show all this data. Let's give a caption. You could also give a caption to your table. Caption vaccination table. Save it. Ah, capital A and reload it. Look, it looks interesting. We have a vaccination table as caption. This is a table call span, and call span expands to 2 columns, row span. Okay, now let's add one more thing. What say? Let's add continents. Continents. Save it. Have added a continents here. Now since we have added continents, let's give 2 continents to all of all of the countries. Since Canada and USA lies in the same continent, we are going to give uh, same continent, that is America, North America, I guess. North America. Okay, let's copy. I forgot it to give call span, row span. I mean row span of 2. Let's copy this and paste it in some more. Since this is going to take, we don't need to define it here. We can define it here. We need in Europe too, so let's give Europe. Here, no, here, Asia, Asia. It's done. Let's give a last thing, that's Africa. Save it, reload it. Yes, you can see it's expand across 2 rows. It expands across 2 rows, 2 rows, 2 rows, and this is our table. This is the way you can use table. Let me discuss this again. First thing we use is inside the we use a table tag where you could use styling, which would help you to give border 1 pixel solid black, and you can give also give a caption to your table. And table contains a number of rows, and each row has some table heading or table data. Since it's a heading, we are giving a table heading with a ts tag, and some of them contains data. We use table data for that. Now let's discuss about row span. Row span expands across two rows, and what call span does, call span across two columns, expands across two columns. That is it with tables, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, let's end it.